Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where .NET Framework is stuck on downloading required files, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, here's what we have to do. First of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now and try downloading the .NET Framework again once the scan has run. If this does not help, then straight away perform a clean boot, because in this case I can assume that a third party software is preventing the download. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.